For over 8 years, Kathy Pullman lived with the heavy burden of type 2 diabetes. Her days were dominated by finger pricks, toxic medications, and the growing fear that her body was failing her. Then one day, everything changed. As her blood sugar spiked to 512 mg/dL during a quiet family outing, she collapsed into a diabetic seizure in front of her grandchildren. That terrifying moment led to a journey that uncovered what modern medicine had long ignored. A natural blood sugar support solution, hidden for centuries inside an ancient South Asian formula. The manuscript dated back to 600 BC, authored by the legendary physician Sushruta, described what are now known as the 3 hidden triggers of type 2 diabetes: overactive lipids that hijack the pancreas, fatty liver dysfunction, known in regional dialects as jigar, and suppressed beta cell regeneration. These mechanisms had been dismissed by contemporary pharmaceuticals for one simple reason: they point to a cure, not a business model. Supported by peer-reviewed insights from UCLA, University of Michigan, and the University of Georgia, researchers validated the physiological connection between these ancient claims and modern metabolic dysfunction. From this knowledge, a breakthrough emerged. A 7-second daily ritual designed to reverse type 2 diabetes naturally, restoring balance to internal systems by targeting all 3 hidden triggers simultaneously. The ritual works by neutralizing pancreatic lipid overload, flushing toxic fat from the liver, and reigniting beta cell productivity, all using compounds sourced from herbs, minerals, and spices documented in the ancient South Asian formula. These ingredients, many of which serve as prototypes for synthetic drugs today, were blended under strict laboratory conditions to produce measurable results. Within hours of starting the protocol, Kathy's postprandial glucose began to stabilize. By week 1, her fasting levels dropped significantly. By day 30, her transformation was complete. She had reversed type 2 diabetes. She lost 48 pounds of visceral fat. Her nerve pain faded. Her emotional resilience returned. Her A1C hit optimal levels for the first time in nearly a decade. And her family witnessed a revival that defied everything they had been taught about chronic illness. Across clinical trials and real-world applications, thousands have replicated these results, from ages 35 to 95, regardless of comorbidity or medical history. This is not alternative medicine. This is ancient science validated by modern research. This is a formula refined from history, crafted with precision, and activated in seconds. And it may very well be the turning point for anyone struggling in silence. The 7-second daily ritual that saved Kathy's life now lives on, changing the narrative on type 2 diabetes for good. Link in video description.